Good afternoon, I'm Susan Dinkle. It's Tuesday, July 31st. There's no single solution to the opioid crisis facing so many Hoosier families. Today, state leaders and health experts focused in on rural communities. News 10's Bureau Chief Gary Bryan explains the conversation can be a step toward change in the future.
Local and state officials met here in Washington, Indiana, all in hopes to help fight the opioid crisis. The Indiana Rural Health Association, along with the Agra Institute, hosted the event. Officials from the medical field as well as law enforcement were on hand. Speakers discussed the issues concerning the opioid crisis and how it affects rural Indiana. Lieutenant Governor Suzanne Crouch was the first to speak this morning. Crouch says the crisis has hit rural Indiana especially hard. She says a mixture of low incomes and high prescription needs are partly to blame. Recently, the state named its first drug czar to help fight the epidemic. The General Assembly has taken additional steps to fight the crisis. That includes increasing and expanding the INSPECT system, which monitors opioid prescriptions. However, Crouch says these are just the first steps.
By no means are we through, and no means is that enough. We have to continue to work together with our local partners to ensure that no stone goes unturned, and we are fighting together collaboratively to address this epidemic.
The event was one of 4 events to take place in the state of Indiana. In Washington, Gary Bryan, News 10.